Sounds good, huh? Wow, that sounded so clean.
This is an AP1 S2000 with an AP2 motor.
Okay.
So
so give me a little more knowledge on that, since I am a muscle guy.
It's a bone stock motor. It's a 2.2 liter.
Okay.
It's just slapped an eBay turbo on it and give it some
turbo?
boost. Yeah. Okay. Everything, the whole setup is eBay except for my fuel system.
Okay. eBay build. I'm digging it, bro. I am digging it.
A bit of taste on the second gear.
Oh my God! Jesus Christ! Bro.
And that's only 400.
Jesus Christ, bro. This is a monster, man. The pickup is insane. Yeah, I don't think this is losing to a lot of cars, bro.
No.
And I don't think I'd find an S2K built like this for my city, bro. I don't think so. So I'm glad I'm getting this on the channel,
Are you
bro.
local?
Huh?
Are you local?
No, I'm from Fresno, bro.
Oh, I'm from down here. I'll hit it in third. I'll give it a little bit. This is third gear. Rolling like 40 miles an hour.
Jesus. I love that. Damn, if that light was green, bro, we would have pulled that.
Yeah. But
jeez.
We'll probably find another straightaway.
Hell no, it's no slouch. Mad respect, bro, for real. I love that sound. Oh my God. Dude, I love that shit, man. The pickup is crazy. You feel it in your stomach, bro.
Only 8 pounds right now. That's 8 pounds.
So what you're saying is we're going to get another vlog and you're going to do the full max.
I mean, we have to be in the freeway. And not with these tires. These are street tires.
Yeah, right?
Nah, it'll get sideways real quick.
Damn. Jeez.
Yeah, I was having issues with it. It was just I kept blowing out my coil packs.
Now, is this on E85 or are you
Yes.
running just okay?
Full pump E85.
I like it.
And I daily it too.
Damn. Dude, just the sound of the turbo is just so intimidating, man. So intimidating.
I should have U-turned it, huh? I'll go this way.
So how long did it take you to get to this build right here?
As soon as I bought it, I started modifying it. So it took me like a year.
Okay, so you had it for about a year. Nice.
And this is without brake boosting. I'm just gonna hit it like 40 miles an hour.
Let's go! Dude, hell yeah! Dude, the exhaust pop in the back sounded crazy.
It's right here.
I love that. I love the cut though. I love the cut for it to have a
Yeah,
vent.
there's one sticking out the hood and there's one under.
Oh,
so I have
nice.
a dual wastegate and then I still have a
So there's no outlets going out through the back of your car?
Yeah, I still have a full 3-inch.
Oh, damn. Okay. Yeah, man, my girl's been trying to save up for her own S2K, and I'm not gonna lie, man, I'm a car enthusiast, I'm not a brand enthusiast, so I love all builds no matter what, but I've always told her, I was like, I don't know, S2K? I said, really? But after filming with my friend, and now filming with this motherfucker right here, bro, this shit right here is a crazy build, and I'm excited for her, bro. Hopefully she can get something like that. Because this is...
Yeah, these bone stock, honestly, they're a lot of fun.
And I think they're underrated, bro. There's not many builds I find like this in my city.
No. Let's hit it one more time. I'm going to test on this one.
We scared the crap out of that lady. She was like, no fucking way he's going to go. Oh my gosh. Dude, thank you so much for doing this, bro. That's hella fun.
I was about to turn right there on down the street. I was gonna go pump some E85.
I was just at a car show, bro, like a big exotic car show right now. Over there at I think Artillery Studios or something.
I don't know.
Yeah. Down the way, bro. I followed him on Instagram. I'll get you on Instagram, bro, and we'll relay shows back and forth.
Okay.
Hell yeah. You gotta come down to my city, bro. You gotta come do a show with me or something, man.
Yeah.
That'll be hella fun.
I have people up there.
Hell yeah, dude. Lit.